Hello students, Mr. Gomez here. We are going to go over science safety today. We will not be completing the note taker. However, we will be doing another activity. So let's get started and let's read together. Intro, science safety. Science is a lot of fun. We must remember to stay safe during investigations. There are some things we always do before, antes, during, durante, and after, luego, después, an investigation. Let's take a look. Before an investigation, listen to all teacher directions. Escucha las instrucciones del maestro. Read all directions before beginning. Other than the materials you need, keep the floor and table clear. Be sure you know where safety materials are. During an investigation, durante una investigación, work carefully with your materials. Tell your teacher about any accidents. Le avisas al maestro si hay o si observas un accidente. Use necessary safety tools. Follow directions. After an investigation, carefully clean up all materials according to your teacher's directions. Conserve resources. Niños, tenemos que tratar de conservar, no gastar los recursos como el papel. Dispose of materials carefully. Washing hands. Sometimes you will need to wash your hands after you finish a lab, before eating, or after touching living things. Safety goggles. Sometimes you need to wear goggles to protect your eyes. When do you think you should wear goggles? ¿Cuándo? Gloves. Sometimes you need to wear gloves to protect your hands. When do you think you should wear gloves? Science safety. Question. Pregunta. What is the first thing you should do when you see science materials on the table? A. Read the directions, then get started. B. Wait for the teacher's directions. B. Wait for the teacher's directions. Question. What should you do first if you break a glass beaker? A. Tell your teacher. B. Clean it up with a broom. C. Pretend nothing happened. A. Always tell your teacher when there is an accident or if something breaks. And that concludes our lesson. And now I'm going to talk about the activity that you guys are going to be doing. Students, estudiantes, a ustedes le toca esta página, la séptima. Vamos a darle una miradita. Safety questions. When should you wash your hands? You should wash your hands after a lab, before blank, and after touching and blank. So, niños, en cada espacio puedes escribir la palabra que falta. Puedes volver a escuchar y mirar este video por algunas que no pudiste encontrar. Good luck.